Okay, so this is a bait tank for my kayak I'm building. I wanted to go with a very simplistic design. I really researched the heck out of it. So essentially, I got a 300 gallon power pump that attaches on the end. It'll just sit right off the kayak into the water. Plumbs in. Homemade spout I made. Then 2 drain holes to keep the water at level. And it'll drain right out the side here. What I also did was I put some LED strips up here, which I'll further adhesive into place, so that at night I could see the bait better inside there. And I plumbed it all into a little dry box I got from Walmart, and just ran things separately into the 2 switches. So it kind of works like this. You can see the lights work, kind of lights it up in there. See a nice little devil's cauldron. And then this one should run the pump. You see the fresh water spraying in. Essentially, it's just going to recirculate fresh water from the outside. Gives a nice little current. Once it gets up to level, it'll start draining out these holes. I have a bucket sitting here waiting, just so you can see. I said there were other methods that use a primer and a pump up here and stuff, but as far as I wanted something simplistic, you'll notice there's no bolts or nuts sticking on the inside. It's completely smooth, and even the corners are rounded off, so I should be able to keep shad and moon eye in there fairly easily. They should stay alive pretty good. It's all run off a little 12 volt 7 amp per hour battery and 2 toggle switches. Going. There we go. I'm also going to mount this so that I don't have to twist on a cap. It'll be a flip-up cap that I'll be able to just open and close rather easily from the kayak. So essentially, this should get up to this first drain and start draining the water level right there. I put the second one in just so I can adjust the water level if I want, but I think I'll just leave them both open and see how we do. Alright, so there you go, it's starting to get up there. Should start draining over the side. Let's try it. There. You can see the water draining out. Should maintain the water level pretty close to that. This pump might be a little bit too much. That's why I put the second drain in there. You can see it pretty much stays close to that water level. On my boat.